I've made over $850 just by watching simple videos on a new website that I shared with those in my community. I even made a post about it on TikTok and some of you faded it, right? So I'll be going into details of how I was able to earn this money just by watching videos that are not even up to 1 minute long, and also how to withdraw this money to your Nigerian bank account or to any bank account you are using. Now, if you're watching my video for the first time, welcome. My name is Chidi Finance. And what I do is I create videos that show you passive income opportunities to earn money. So if you find this video useful, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you find any of my videos in this channel useful, please make sure you turn on the bell notification to get notified once I release more videos. So this website have actually been paying me for the past 2 months. I started using this website about 2 months ago, and so far I've been able to accumulate the sum of $850 just by watching videos. And on the platform you get opportunities to also take tasks on the platform. So you watch videos and you just get to complete simple tasks on the platform, and you get rewarded, and the money can be withdrawn to either your PayPal or to your UK or US bank accounts, right? So I got an information about this particular website from my auntie who stays in the UK, right? And she has actually been paid twice or thrice before she introduced it to me. And yeah, she has been paid about $300 before she informed me about it. And immediately after that, I started putting my energy and eventually started using this website. Now, the name of this website is called DollarTub. Now, let's get into it.
You can see here, this is my account balance. I have made over $885.38, right? And I've watched a total of 107 videos, and you can see the videos here. Watch video to earn money. Watch this video for 35 seconds and get $3.62. So that's how easy it is to make money from this particular platform. So I'll be going into details on how you can sign up to this platform the right way, because a lot of people keep making mistakes. You can actually sign up, make a lot of this money, but you cannot withdraw as well. So I'll be showing you my withdrawal. I would also show you how you can also withdraw very easily. So I'll show you how to complete your profile, then answer some very, very important questions you're going to need. So please pay very good attention to this video, because if you miss any detail, you skip this video, you may not get the details that will make you money at the end of the day. Some people have used this site for more than a year and have not made any money at all, or have not even been able to withdraw at all. So pay attention. So now, if you want to sign up to this website, click the first link in the description below to sign up. It will take you to this page. Once you come over, you'll see welcome back, email, password. So this one is for those who already have an account. So you just come to register here, click on register. Then it says create a new account, name, email, password, confirm password. I have read. Now, please, this was the first mistake I made. Don't sign up immediately. Please, don't you sign up immediately. If you sign up immediately and you're in Nigeria, in Africa, you would work and finish and you will not be paid. I'm telling you this one for free. It has happened to me, and my first $100 was not paid to me because I was not in the UK. My auntie is in the UK. She was the one who gave me the information about this website. So what you're going to do is go and download a VPN. So this is the VPN I use. I use this. So not all VPNs will work, but I use this particular VPN, VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. I'll be putting the link in the second. I'll put this link will be like the second link in the description below. So just go over there. This one will get you what you want. So now you just come over to fastest location. Please use United Kingdom. Please use United Kingdom. Don't use anything. Don't use any other country. United Kingdom. So just come, click on it, and wait for it to connect. Right, wait for it to connect. Skip. Okay, now I'll come back to this website. So now at this point, my VPN is on and it's already showing that I'm in the UK. So what I'll do next is I'll come here, type my name. Just 2 names are okay. Chidi, then that's my full name. Then I'll put my email. So you can put your email, whichever one. Then I'll create my password, confirm my password. Make sure it's characters long. Then you now click I have read and accept the terms of service. Accept the terms of service. That is the first step. So once you're done with this, very, very easily, it will take you now to this page. It will take you to this page here. You'll be seeing your own balance. You'll see account balance 0, video views 0. You are going to see a video to watch. You say watch video to earn money. View this video for 35 seconds and get $3.62. So what you just need to do is I'll show you everything. So just watch. So just click on this video and please don't skip this page. Leave this page to play. So
Oh, that's interesting.
It will end by
Your
itself. Please do not
lifelines.
close or minimize
It's like
this
they've intersected
close or
before.
minimize it, you will lose your
You've
earnings. So
walked
allow it
in
to
each
play
other's path.
for 35 seconds.
Oh,
It's playing.
really? You learned a lesson. A lesson that may serve you again.
Okay, that's enough.
Thank you.
Let's go. Bye. Did you feel that?
I think it's just all in our heads.
Done. So it says below here, earnings added, $3.62 has been credited to your account. You can close this window now, click on continue. So now you can watch as many as, I think in a day you can get between 10 to 20 videos to watch. So if you're paying a minimum of $3 per day, sorry, $3 per video, then if you're able to do 10 videos, that's $30 a day, right? Now you'll be asking me, okay, how then do I withdraw, right? How then do I withdraw? So this is my first, you see what this thing is showing. So I've made a total of almost about 900 or almost $1,000 on this platform. It says your payments are currently on hold. Action is required to release payments. Your next payment is estimated to be $107. This was my first payment. Now this was because I was supposed to have received this payment, but because I did not use this VPN as at the time I wanted to, as the time I needed to, this payment has still been on hold, has not been paid, right? But if I had used the UK VPN, just like my auntie has withdrawn like 3 times, I would have also withdrawn this first $100, right? Now what are the criteria to withdraw? You may be asking me. Now the first criteria is that you would need to watch 100 videos. That's one. And 2, you need to have accumulated up to a minimum of $100 on this platform, and you need to refer about 25 friends, then complete 5 tasks. It's very simple, don't worry, I'll show you how to do it. So now once you are able to meet the criteria, this box is going to show you verification required, complete verification. Click on complete verification. So now, okay, yes, these are the requirements. So I think I made a mistake. You just need to watch a total of 100 videos. So for me, I've watched a total of 108. Referrals invited, I've invited about 132 people. But then you need a minimum of 25 people, which is very easy. Just send it to your friends, send a link to your friends to sign up to DollarTub. That's it. Then complete a total of 5 tasks. Just very simply, you need to complete a total of 5 tasks. Once that is done, it says complete verification. You click on complete verification and your money will be paid to your account. Now, you may be like, okay, where do I now impute my account details to get paid? So you come over to this menu section, you come over to payments, wait for it to load. So this is my first payment is processing, and I still have an account balance of $889. Now you can choose to withdraw via PayPal, Cash App, Paytm, and bank transfer. My auntie used PayPal, so if you have a PayPal account, or you know somebody who has a PayPal account, you can tell the person to give you his details so that you can impute it. So if I want to impute it, I'll just come over to PayPal, click on withdraw. Then add your PayPal account details. Make sure you get the PayPal account details. Then you add it. So if you don't have PayPal account, the next available option is to use bank transfer. So for me, I use bank transfer. I guess get paid by bank transfer into your bank account. So this one here, you will need a UK or a US bank account to create this. So let me delete this my account details so that you will not see. So yep, it says request payment, make a new payment withdrawal. So enter your bank account name. So you'd have to create a UK or a US bank account. Though I'll be creating in the next video I'll be posting in this my channel. I will share with you how to create a US or a UK bank account, virtual accounts from the comfort of your home in Nigeria or in any African country. I think there are 2 apps that I can recommend. If you're just watching this video, you can just go to your Play Store App Store and download the app Clever, CLEVA, or download the app Grey Finance, Grey, GREY. right? Those ones would help you create a US and a UK bank account so that you can input it here. So once you have created your account and you requested for your account details, they'll give it to you. Then you come here and input your bank account number, then add your Swift code. Once that is done, you submit it. Then you can now go back to withdraw, right? Now, what are the tasks to perform? So come over to tax section. So these are, wait for it. So this one here are just very simple tasks to perform. Is just for you to either download an app or complete some surveys. And there are some requirements. So this one here says this is an app, Travel Town. It says instruction: download and complete level 9 within 30 days after installing to unlock this content. So you have to download this app and complete level 9 within 30 days of installing it to be able to unlock this task. So for every task you perform, you would get it will be unlocked automatically. So you get 1 task, 2 tasks. So the next one you just come and for me, I don't like these surveys since they're not in Nigeria, since they're not in the UK. You may have issues with these surveys. We're using VPN, but it's still very hard. So you need to. I prefer apps. So go to apps, download apps, install apps, then complete the tasks of those apps. It's very easy. So it says instruction: download and install this app to then create an account to unlock this content. You can do this one. Then you go down. It says set Opera GX as default and search. So you do that. You earn $4. So it says install and open TikTok. If you don't have a TikTok account, a UK TikTok account, you can install via this link. And yes, the next one you can do is install the CleanFox app and register. That's another one. So that's how many tasks now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 already. But then there's still other ones just in case it doesn't check immediately. Sometimes it may not check immediately. This one says Azar one-on-one video chat online. Register and purchase a basic. You can skip this one. This one requires you to pay money. And just go to the free ones. Learn 5. Make a transfer of 1. Skip. So those 5 I mentioned. This one says reach 5,000 meters rope length and earn rewards along the way. New users only. So you can do this other one. So you have 6 tasks to do. So that one says current festival, get the app, play and reach level 31. New users only. You do this one. So there are 7 tasks. If you're able to do the 7 tasks completely, you have successfully completed the tasks, and now you have met the requirements. So like I said, what are the requirements again? Let me go over it. So you need to watch a minimum of 100 videos on this particular platform to be able to withdraw. Right, that 100 videos would give you a total of more than $100. So you can, once you're able to do 100 videos, you get more than $100. Then you can withdraw. Then you also need to refer a minimum of 25 people to get rewarded. Then you need to complete 5 tasks to also withdraw directly to your account. Then once the money has been withdrawn to your bank account, your dollar, UK or US bank account, then you can withdraw it to your Naira or to any of your local currency. Withdraw it to your local currency. Now let's go to some frequently asked questions that I'll respond to them. Now the first one is, what is DollarTub? So DollarTub is the easiest way to get paid in cash for sharing your opinion, testing apps and games, sharing your link and more. You create a free account, tell us how you like to receive your payment, support many platforms, PayPal, Paytm, Cash App, PhonePe and more, and be given access to opportunities to earn money taking paid online surveys. Next question is, does any of this cost money? DollarTub is completely free to sign up and participate in. Where do these paid tasks come from? Market research companies commission these tasks to help businesses better understand their customers and what they think. Which payment method are available? I've told you: PayPal, Cash App, Paytm, PhonePe, etc. How much can I earn? The more time you spend completing tasks with your friends, posting on social media, the more you can earn. The only limit is the one you set by yourself. What information do I need to open an account? Just your email address, first and last name, and that's it. It says there are no tasks available. In case there are no tasks, you can always check back later. New tasks are added every 24 hours. What if my offer is unsuccessful? So you have to this one is very simple. Make sure you are very honest. If you are taking a survey, then make sure complete the task. Once it has been opened, once you started the task, please don't leave it to complete later. The task would most likely time out and will be deemed unsuccessful. How long will it take for my money to arrive? Once you send your payment to your chosen method, it should arrive within an hour, but in some cases, it may take some additional time to fulfill payment. We'll update your payment status as soon as it changes. How can I see what information you have about me? Your account page lists all the information you provided. Please note. How long will it take before my money arrive? Once we send payment to your choosing method, it should arrive within an hour. But in some cases, it may take an additional time to fulfill payment. We'll update your payment method as soon as it changes. So keep checking back, and we'll keep you updated. So yep, that's how you can benefit from this platform. What are you waiting for? Click the first link in the description below to sign up to DollarTub and start earning money just by watching videos on your smartphone. Then click the second link to use the VPN I talked about. Please, like I said, you need a VPN to access this website. You can always access it without VPN, but then you will not be paid. The guarantee of getting paid without a VPN is very, very slim. There's no guarantee. So use a VPN to make money for yourself.
I believe you've seen how much you can make just by watching videos with your smartphone or even your laptop. What are you waiting for? Click the first link in the description below, right, to sign up to DollarTub and start earning money just by watching simple videos. Remember to like this video and also make sure you subscribe and share this video with people who can also benefit from this website. See you in the next one.